If you've already purchased and own a domain through an external domain provider like GoDaddy or Bluehost, you can connect it to your full-scope account in order to use it for your website, email marketing, or any other features that can be used directly with your business's domain. To do this, all we need to do is head to Settings on the bottom left and scroll down on the left menu to Domains. Here you'll see two options. One, we can purchase a domain if you don't have one already, or if you already own a domain, you can connect it here. As you can see, we now have these different options for connecting our domain to different services within the account. For this demonstration, I'll connect a domain for the funnels and websites area, since that's the most common thing you'll likely need it for. Just click Connect on the right, and in this case, we're just going to enter our domain name. I'll call this yourbusiness.com and click Continue. From here, all we need to do is click Continue, and the system will check whether an automatic connection can be made to your domain provider. Some domain providers allow this, which makes things a lot easier for you. Others, however, will require that you enter the records manually to make the connection, in which case you'll see a screen that looks like this. All you have to do is copy-paste these DNS records into your domain provider and click Verify Records. If you have any questions about this process or aren't sure how it works, you can watch our help video here. And as always, you can reach out to our support team anytime for help through the support portal in your account.